Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. Very first, a very happy and a prosperous Eid al-Fitr to all my viewers. So, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make these lovely petal flowers like rosette and another type of spiral rosette with these teeny tiny flowers which are very easy to make. And in continuation to this video, I will take you through how to make these heart keychains and gurumi heart keychains, which is filled with puff. So let's get started. So we will start making this flower first, which is with tiny, petals, and which is very easy to make. For this, I will use a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm and 3 ply acrylic cotton yarn. I have all these in spare, so I've made with these, and it is of red rose. So let's start by making a chain of 23 plus 2, total 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Now, on third chain from hook, 1, 2 and 3, I'll make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Again, in the next chain, I'll make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. And in the third chain, here, in the next chain, I'll make 2 half double crochet. So I've made total 6 half double crochet. And now from now onwards, in each chain stitch, I'll make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So likewise, I'll continue for the rest of my stitches here, and I'll see you here. Remember, only first 3 stitches 2 half double crochet, and in rest of the stitches I've made 2 double crochets. I'll give you the written pattern in my description for all the flowers. Okay, so I'm done with 2 double crochet in the last chain stitch. Now I'll take 1 chain up and I'll turn my work. Not in this stitch, not the very first stitch, in the second stitch I'll start working. So I'll start by making 1 half double crochet in this stitch. In the next stitch I'll make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. In the next stitch again I'll make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 together. In the third stitch, in the next stitch again I'll make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. And in the next stitch I'll make 1 half double crochet. I'll make 1 chain stitch, and in the next stitch I'll do a slip stitch. So this was my one petal. This was my first kind of big petal, you can say. So likewise I have to make 4 more. So total 5 petals I have to make. I'll show you once again. In the next stitch, 1 chain up. In the next stitch I'll make 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch I'll make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. In the next stitch again 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. In the next stitch again I'll make 2 double crochet. So total 6 double crochet, 2 in 3 stitches. And in the next stitch I'll make 1 half double crochet. I'll take one chain up, and in the next stitch I'll do a slip stitch. So this was my second petal. 1, 2. Likewise, I'll make 3 more petals, total 5 petals. Then we have to make 3 small petals. First, let me complete all my 5 petals and I'll see you then. Okay, for the small petals, after completing these 5 big petals, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, I'll take one chain up. It is very much similar, as I told you, to these petals. It's just, okay, I'll show you. So one chain up. In the next chain I'll make one half double crochet. In the next one I'll make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. In the next chain one more time 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and in the next stitch I'll make a 1 half double crochet. So instead of three chains, 2 double crochet in each chain, I'll make 2 double crochet in 2 chain stitch, not 3 chain stitch. And after this, I'll take one chain, and in the next stitch I'll do slip stitch. Likewise, I'll make 2 more small petals. One chain up, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and chain 1 and a slip stitch in the next stitch. One chain up, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and a slip stitch in the last stitch. Oh, sorry, one chain and slip stitch in the last stitch. Okay, now I'll cut the yarn, but with a long tail. And now, with the help of darning needle, I'm gonna stitch the flower. So you can cut this tail here. I'll roll it like this from the opposite direction. This way, like this and this, and our flower will be ready. I'll quickly grab darning needle and I'm going to give it a shape by stitching it towards the back side. This way. I'm going to take it through here so that I can stitch all the petals from behind. This way. I'm going to take up once so that the center petal, this, we will get a proper shape of this. Like this. And I'm going to hide this behind. If you want, you can make a slip knot and you can cut the tail. As well, if you want to add a pearl here, you can add a pearl like this. You have to add it with the help of a needle and thread. So our crochet flower is ready, and it's very easy to make. Now let's start with another flower, which is the spiral flower. Okay, I'll show you in the light color, which is this, in the spiral color. For this, again, I'll use crochet hook size of 1.75 and 3 ply acrylic cotton yarn. Let's start. This time I'm gonna make a chain of 20 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. For the first round, on the second chain from the hook, I'll make 2 single crochets. 2 single crochets in each chain. That means 20 chains are there, so we'll make 40 single crochets like this. I'll complete till here and I'll see you then. So I'm done with 2 single crochet in each chain stitch. I'll make chain 3 up, 1, 2, 3, and I'll turn my work. In the same chain stitch, I'll make 1 double crochet. These 3 chains would count as 1 double crochet and 1 more. So 2 double crochet, and from now onwards, throughout the row, second row, we'll make 2 double crochet in each chain stitch. 1, 2. So total will have 80 double crochet like this. I'll finish it till here and I'll see you then. So here I am done with my last 2 double crochet in the last stitch, and I'm gonna go in this last chain stitch and I'll do a slip stitch. Now I'll leave a long tail here and I'll cut the yarn. Look at this initial tail because I have not taken it along with while I was making it. So we'll start giving it a shape from the opposite end where we have left this tail. You can make this flower even bigger. It's just you have to take more number of chains, but you have to follow the same pattern, same procedure of row number 1 and row number 2. And like I've shown you in the first flower, I'm going to sew it here, the second flower as well. Okay, so I'm done with this rosette, and now we'll start with our last set of flowers, which are these teeny tiny flowers. I'll show you with the white color because this is made in dark color. Probably you would not understand. Make it clear. So I'm going to use my spare white yarn to show you, which is very, very easy. You don't have to make any magic ring or a ring of any chains. It's just 3 chains and okay. I'll make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. In the third chain I'll make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. I'll make 1 slip stitch in the same third chain. Our first petal is ready. Again 1, 2, 3. I'll make 2 double crochet in this last chain, 1 and 2, and I'll make a slip stitch. If you might have seen my video of crochet mask, I have taught how to make this teeny tiny flower. 1, 2, 3. This is the last petal. 2 double crochet and last slip stitch. And that's it. Our flower is ready. I'm gonna pull the yarn a little. I'll hide the tail. Make it a bit tight. That's it. Our flower is ready. Likewise, you can make many flowers. Okay, so we are done with 3 sets of flower, one with the spiral one, a rosette, and these with small petals and curls, and the last one, the teeny tiny flower. Go ahead and use it in your headbands or on your handbags. It looks very pretty. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make that keychain heart. Until then, please keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my videos, and a very happy Eid al Fitr once again. Thank you.